Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Standard 4 CBSE English. We will learn a lesson from Raintree English Literature Reader. The name of the lesson is When Daddy Was a Little Boy, written by Alexander Raskin. About the author Alexander Raskin. Alexander Raskin lived between 1914 and 1971. He was a famous Russian writer. He had written many stories. When Daddy Was a Little Boy is one among his many stories. In this story, Alexander Raskin narrated himself as Little Daddy and told his daughter all about his childhood memories in an interesting and in a funny way. We will read in this lesson one such memories which Alexander Raskin had narrated to his daughter. In this story, when Daddy was little boy, he used to change his mind often about what he wanted to be. Now let us read and enjoy the story. When Daddy was a little boy. When Daddy was a little boy, he was often asked, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" When Daddy was little, he was asked by many people what he wanted to be when he grew up. Grow is present tense. Past tense for grow is grew. Little Daddy always had a ready answer, but each time it was a different one. At first, he wanted to be a night watchman. Little Daddy used to give the answer immediately, but each time he used to give different answers. At first he wanted to be a night watchman. Let us find out why he wanted to be a night watchman. He liked to think about the whole town being asleep while he, the night watchman, would be awake. Little Daddy was excited to think when all the people in the town were sleeping, he, the night watchman, alone to be awakened and taking care of the whole town. So Little Daddy wanted to be a night watchman. But then the ice cream man came along with his bright green cart. Why, if he were an ice cream man, he could push a cart and eat all the ice cream he wanted to. At the time an ice cream man came, he was pushing his bright green ice cream cart. On seeing this ice cream man, Little Daddy wanted to be an ice cream man. Why he should not be an ice cream man, he thought, so that he could push the bright green ice cream cart and eat the ice cream whenever he wanted. Eat is in present tense. Past tense for eat is ate. I will eat one for each pop I sell, Little Daddy thought. Pop means a piece of ice cream stick with fruit flavor. Little Daddy said that he would eat ice cream for selling each ice cream. So here sell is in present tense. Past tense for sell is sold. I will treat every little child to ice cream free. Not only that, little daddy wanted to give treat to all the little children with the free ice cream. Little daddy's parents were very surprised when they heard that their son wanted to be an ice cream man. They thought that was very funny. When little daddy said that he wanted to be an ice cream man, his parents were surprised. They thought that it was a funny idea to be an ice cream man. But little daddy thought it would be a delicious way of being grown up. Delicious means very pleasant or enjoyable. Little daddy thought that it would be enjoyable and pleasant way of living. So he wanted to be an ice cream man. Heard is in past tense. Present tense for heard is hear. Then one day, little daddy saw a man in overalls at the railroad station. Overalls is a piece of clothing worn by people over their dress to keep them clean while working. Little daddy saw such person with overalls. The man was playing with the cars and locomotives. Cars means it is the train compartments where the passengers used to sit. It is not the train, it is not the cars which are running on the roads. It is the train compartments. You would have seen train with many compartments. So here car refers to the train compartments, and locomotives is a engine which helps the train to move. Little daddy saw a man working with that, playing with that cars and locomotives. You can see a person with the overalls and he is working with the engines. But these were real cars and real locomotives. He would jump on a platform and then crawl under the cars. But the man was not actually playing with the cars and the locomotives. He is very busy in his work. He was jumping on the platform and he was crawling under the cars, and so he was in work. Crawl means move with hands and knees. It was some kind of a strange and wonderful game. So strange means here different. Little daddy thought that it was a strange job and a wonderful game. He did not see it as a job. Little daddy thought it to be a wonderful game. Who is that man? Little daddy asked. Little daddy asked his father who that man was. He is the shunter. Little daddy's father said that he was the shunter. Shunter is a person whose job is to move the railroad cars around the tracks. Now little daddy knew what he wanted to be. He would shunt railroad cars. What in the world could be more fun? So little daddy now decided to be a shunter. He wanted to be a shunter, and he thought what would be more interesting and fun than to be a shunter. So now he wanted to be shunter. New is In past tense, present tense is no. Then someone asked him, but what about selling ice cream? That was a problem. So when little daddy said that he wanted to be a shunter, someone asked him what happened to the idea of selling ice creams. So little daddy got confused. Little daddy had decided to become a shunter, but he didn't want to give up pushing a bright green ice cream cart. So give up means stop doing something. Little daddy decided to be a shunter, but he was not ready to give up the job of being an ice cream man. He wanted to be ice cream man also at the same time. At last he found a way. Then little daddy himself found a solution for that. What is the solution? We will see. Found is in past tense, present tense for found is find, I will be a shunter and an ice cream man. Little daddy said that he would be a shunter as well as an ice cream man. Everyone was very surprised, but little daddy explained it all quite simply. Everyone was surprised when little daddy said that he wanted to be an ice cream man and also a shunter. How he could be both, they thought. But little daddy explained to them quietly, that is not hard at all. I will sell ice cream in the morning, then after a while I will go to the station. I will shunt some cars there and then go back and sell some more ice cream. Then I will go back to the station and shunt some more cars again, and then I will sell some more ice cream. So little daddy said that it was not difficult at all. He said that he would sell ice creams in the morning, then he would go to station and shunt some cars. Again in the evening he would sell some ice creams. So little daddy wanted to be both ice cream man and also a shunter. Sell is in present tense, past tense for sell is sold, and go is in present tense, past tense for go is went. It won't be hard because I will park my cart near the station and won't have very far to go. Everyone laughed again. Little daddy said that it would not be difficult at all because he would park his ice cream cart near the station, and so it was not needed for him to walk a long distance to sell ice creams. Everyone laughed at little daddy when he said this. Little daddy got angry and said, if you are going to laugh at me, I will be a night watchman as well. There is nothing to do at night anyway, so it was all settled. So little daddy got angry when others laughed at him. He said if they were going to laugh at him, he would be a night watchman also at the same time. And he said that he had nothing to do at night. So little daddy wanted to be all shunter. He wanted to be shunter, an ice cream man, and the night watchman. So everyone kept quiet on hearing to this. So little daddy keeps on changing his mind about what he wanted to be. We will stop the lesson here and we will continue in the next class. Thank you, students.